You a boss, I'm a boss too. Little baby, when I pull it, what you gon' do? No L's, all dubs, what I'm used to. Quick, can't get this bag, just me.
Hey guys, today I'm starting off with a very simple, quick, and easy pineapple chicken recipe. So all you will need is 1 cup of pineapple juice and 2 cups of pineapple chunks. So what I do is I just buy this and I take the juice from here as well as the chunks from here. You'll need a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I use the low sodium. A 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and I'm using the substitute, which is apple cider vinegar, so that's good as well. A 1/4 cup of sugar. Now the recipe does call for brown sugar, but since I don't have, I will be using white sugar. The taste won't come out exactly the same, but it'll still be good enough. 2 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of grated garlic. 2 to 3 pounds of chicken. So right now I am actually defrosting it. 1 onion, which you will chop into square pieces. Now guys, it's very simple. First step is to preheat that oven to 450. Then start chopping up that onion. Okay guys, so I used 2 cans of the pineapple and I put all the liquid inside. It was a little more than what I said, but it's fine if it's juicier. And I'm also putting extra pineapples, so this is a little bit more than 2 cups, and that's just because I wanted to use the full 2 cans. And like I said, it doesn't matter, it's even better if it's juicier and with more pineapple. Now I am putting in the sugar. We'll mix this all up after. And 1/3 cup of soy sauce. The sugar was a 1/4 cup and it's a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Now I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of garlic, going in with a 1/4 cup of vinegar. I'm using apple cider, but you can use the rice vinegar. And then I'm going in with the onion chunks, chopped onion. You can add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger if you like it. We personally don't like ginger that much, so we will be skipping that step. Now all you have to do is mix it, and I'm waiting for my chicken to defrost. And what I'm going to do after is I'm going to place the chicken on here, and then instead of placing the pineapple on top of the chicken, I'm going to be placing it in the middle, kind of to section off each chicken, to section them off so it'll be in the middle of each piece. Okay guys, so I am using this seasoning, xoxo, and I'm going to put that, just 1 package, all over the chicken. And I'm just going to mix that with my hands all over. That's going to give it some extra flavor. People do it without this step, but I'm Hispanic, so enough said. Guys, we did add a little bit of beer to it. Literally, like, I would say like 2 tablespoons of beer. That's just extra steps to kick it up a notch. I put it in with all the seasoning. And then this is the part where you separate them with the pineapple. So just give me a second.
Yeah, so
at first you're not going to put the pineapple on top, you're just going to put it between the chicken. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then it's going in the oven. You're going to keep it at 450. You're going to keep it in the oven for 15 minutes. Then we will take the chicken out, put the liquid all over the chicken, and put it in for another 15 minutes. Alright guys, 15 minutes has passed. Now it's just time to put the liquid on top. So you just have to kind of wet the chicken. Now you can put anything on top, the pineapple, the liquid. It sounds like a weird step, but it actually helps. It helps it become juicier. And we are cooking it with a side of rice and salad. Yeah, it smells really good. I think you guys should try it with a little bit of beer, because that just, it kicks it up a lot of notches. So since we don't have the injector thing, we did make slits on them, and we did put the liquid inside the slits. After this, you guys should wait another 15 minutes. But if you have like a very intense oven, I feel like everybody's oven is different. Mine is really intense, so I would check it up at the 10-minute mark just in case. Okay guys, it's all done. We topped it off with some cilantro. This is your end result. And we will be serving it later with some white rice and some salad.